Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Subaru Legacy versus the Hyundai Sonata. These popular midsize sedans both offer comfortable rides and a host of features, but they approach the driving experience differently. We'll explore their performance, safety technologies, interior amenities, and overall value to help you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. Let's dive into the details and see how these two vehicles stack up against each other. When it comes to performance, both sedans offer compelling options. The Subaru Legacy comes standard with a 2.5-liter engine producing 182 horsepower, and an available 2.4-liter turbocharged engine boosts output to 260 horsepower. Every Legacy features symmetrical all-wheel drive. The Hyundai Sonata's base engine delivers 191 horsepower, with a potent 290 horsepower turbocharged option for the N-Line. The Sonata typically comes with front-wheel drive, though all-wheel drive is available on some trims. Fuel economy is competitive, with the Legacy's standard engine offering around 27 city and 35 highway miles per gallon, while the Sonata's base engine gets about 25 city and 36 highway miles per gallon. Safety is a top priority for both vehicles. The Subaru Legacy comes standard with its EyeSight driver assist technology, including features like adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking. The Hyundai Sonata counters with its comprehensive Smart Sense suite, offering similar advanced safety features such as lane keeping assist and forward collision avoidance. Inside, both sedans provide ample space. The Legacy boasts over 105 cubic feet of passenger volume, while the Sonata offers around 104 cubic feet. For cargo, the Legacy's trunk holds 15.1 cubic feet, slightly less than the Sonata's 15.6 cubic feet. When considering overall value, both sedans present strong arguments. The Subaru Legacy includes a basic warranty for 3 years or 36,000 miles, with powertrain coverage extending to 5 years or 60,000 miles. Hyundai offers a more extensive warranty, with a 5-year or 60,000-mile basic warranty and an impressive 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty for the original owner. Your decision will likely come down to priorities: the Legacy's standard all-wheel drive and robust safety features, or the Sonata's longer warranty and available powerful turbocharged engine. Both are excellent choices in the midsize sedan segment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.